Welcome to the walkthrough of the Sea Ray SPX 190 Outboard. So this is a great boat, capacity for 10 people, 8.6 beam, 19.6 long, and starts with a 115 horsepower engine. Let me tell you about this engine. So I actually got behind this boat wakeboarding with about 4 or 5 people in the cockpit. Plenty of get up and go. So a really great package for that entry into the Sea Ray model family. Coming further into the boat, a couple things to point out to you. One is the really generous sun pad. You look forward a little bit, you see the bimini top. So this is available as an option on the boat, in addition to a water sports tower with great easy access to the tow point. You also notice that I am standing on sea deck, also available on every SPX. Really great matting, comfortable under your feet, and makes it a nice entry into the boat. You also see where I'm standing, a very generous walkway on the port side of the boat to get into the cockpit. As I mentioned before, this boat has capacity for 10 people. So a really generous cockpit, and we take advantage of that 8'6" beam. You'll see on the starboard side, the helm seat, really nice helm seat, very comfortable to sit in with the bolster. And then on the port side, we have convertible seating. So you can actually have this as a forward-facing seat, sitting straight up with lots of legroom, or you can change it over to a lounge. Just like the other SPXs, this boat has 2 upholstery options. You're seeing ivory right here, but we also have available a dune package, which are more brown tones. So in the upholstery, you'll see some great detail with contrast stitching, Sea Ray logo, and then also at the top of all of the cushions, some more great detail with some dimple patterns. Again, there's really great storage in this boat. You'll see under the port helm, a very big compartment, again for storage. Put all of your towels in here, fenders, pretty much anything that you need for a day on the water. In addition, you'll see through the walkthrough, the subwoofer. So just mentioning that for a second, that's part of our premium audio system, where it's all standard fusion on the boat, but you can upgrade where you have not just 4 speakers, but a subwoofer and amplifiers. Now that I'm sitting here in the bow, another thing that I'll point out, we talked before about the upholstery. This actually has the appearance package. In the appearance package, it's upgraded upholstery in stainless steel. So you'll see this bow is fully upholstered all the way down to the seat bases. Also, really good storage in the bow. So underneath each seat is finished storage. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the Sea Ray SPX 190 Outboard. Please visit searay.com to configure your very own boat.